Hello, Yildiz here. I'm just going to show you a bit more detail about the training through some slides. Please stay with this and hopefully you'll get the information you require. Give me a moment. So here we are, Rapid Core Healing, registered and trademarked by me, Yildiz Sethi. Brief therapy, solution-focused experiential therapy, rapid core healing. So here we are. What is rapid core healing online training? That's the main question here. People keep asking me, so this is why I've done the slides. It's 3 trainings. Emotional mind integration, which is eight modules, 9 weeks, 50 hours of training with 5 days experiential learning and practice, which you can find on the dates page on Rapid Core Healing. And it's Family Constellations, 14 weeks, 11 modules, 140 hours of training with 6 days experiential learning. And again, you can find the dates of the next Family Constellations on the dates page on Rapid Core Healing under training. And then the final Rapid Core Healing, 4 weeks, 50 hours. Again, 5 days of experiential learning and practice. And again, you can find the dates of that next final Rapid Core Healing training there again. Now, you can't do the final Rapid Core Healing 4-week training unless you've also completed emotional mind integration and family constellations. The total Rapid Core Healing 3 sets of trainings is 240 hours. Now, a little bit more detail about emotional mind integration, founded by me, Yildiz Sethi. Emotional mind integration is a neurotrans psychotherapy for safe, accurate location of disturbances and trauma, with safe healing pathways and processing for immediate processing, one neural pathway at a time, with completion, with integration within each session. Now, family constellation is a powerful way to locate the cause and solutions of generational patterns that affect family, relationships, mental health, and personal growth and generational trauma recovery. Safely, briefly, and experientially, and quickly. Family constellations may be experienced in private sessions, in person or online, or workshops. In terms of private sessions, I teach people how to do private sessions in at least 3 different formats. So you can fit with different kinds of learning or experiential styles in your clients. Rapid Core Healing Mastery Final, you'll be given reading and reflective tasks to consider for the experiential. And then you will go through advanced family constellations theory in practice with me, advanced emotional mind integration theory in practice, and combined EMI and family constellation working with the personal and systemic at cause, which will give you that mastery of working between those 2 modalities, working with mental health, relationships, patterns, and trauma. Now, trauma-informed recovery. I've got a lot of details of this on my website, just to let you know that each of the trauma-informed processing trainings take place within each module. So there is EMI, emotional mind integration, trauma recovery processing, and family constellations, trauma recovery processing. Rapid Core Healing is a combination of both. So trauma-informed recovery training does not take place separately, it takes place within each training. Now, how the training operates. You'll receive a link to your online training platform. Each module is composed of videos, download sheets, quizzes, and or tasks to do. It's approximately 1 to 2 hours per week of online study required for each of the trainings as you go through the modules. On the online experiential training days, you will receive a Zoom link where you will join your group for experiential training with me, Yildiz. Now, you will need to complete all of the former modules prior to your experiential training module, learning module. Then, after the experiential, you will complete your modules and tasks. And when all is completed and approved, you'll receive your certificate of completion. You will then be able to get your indemnity insurance or add it to your existing insurance and start working with these modalities. You'll be able to get insurance when you complete EMI. You'll be able to get add it to your insurance when you do family constellations, and then add the final rapid core healing to it when you complete rapid core healing as well. Supervision is available. I am recognized as a supervisor with ACA, PACFA, and ASCH. So I hope the slides helped you in giving you the information you require. And perhaps you've already decided whether you want to become a brief therapist, and in particular, a rapid core healing practitioner. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know. Yildiz@rapidcorehealing.com, or come into my training calls on the website rapidcorehealing.com training, where you can book into a free training call with me directly so we can see whether we are compatible, see if what I offer is right for you. Okay, perhaps I'll see you soon.